Want to know how to identify insider threats in your organization using Tenable? Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how this powerful tool can help protect your business. Insider threats are one of the most challenging and dangerous risks to your company, and the good news is Tenable has some fantastic features that make detecting them a lot easier. So, if you're ready to protect your assets, keep watching until the end. Before we dive in, did you know that you can get access to Tenable for free with our exclusive bonuses? Just check the link below, and you can start exploring these features risk-free. Alright, let's get started. First things first, Tenable focuses on vulnerability management, giving you the ability to identify where your systems might be at risk. It gives you a clear picture of your organization's security posture, showing you areas where insider threats might surface. By scanning your network and assets, Tenable helps spot vulnerabilities that could be exploited internally, making it easier to take action before it's too late. Next thing, Tenable provides real-time monitoring. You can track user activity continuously to catch any suspicious behavior as it happens. Insider threats can often be hard to spot because they come from within, so having continuous monitoring of systems and user activity can alert you immediately when something looks out of the ordinary. This gives you the advantage of reacting fast, even before any damage is done. The third thing you want to know is that Tenable allows you to segment your network and set up policies to monitor and restrict user access based on roles and responsibilities. This is crucial in limiting the scope of potential insider threats. By ensuring that employees only have access to the data they need, you can reduce the risk of sensitive information being misused or leaked. The fourth thing Tenable does is offer detailed reporting and analysis. Once it detects suspicious behavior, Tenable doesn't just show you the red flags, it helps you analyze why and how it happened. This means you can track down the root cause of any insider threat and take targeted action to prevent it from happening again in the future. Plus, Tenable's comprehensive reports make it easy to stay compliant with industry regulations, something that's especially important when dealing with insider threats. Another big advantage of using Tenable is its integration with other security tools. You can combine Tenable with other monitoring solutions, creating a more robust defense against insider threats. The beauty of integration is that it gives you a more holistic view of your organization's security, where one tool might pick up a threat that another misses. Now, the final thing I want to mention is how Tenable helps prioritize threats. Not all threats are created equal. Some insider threats are more critical than others, and Tenable helps you prioritize them based on the severity and potential impact to your organization. This ensures you're focusing on the most urgent threats first, without getting overwhelmed by less significant risks. So, by now, you should have a solid idea of how to identify insider threats using Tenable. This software is a powerful tool that gives you real-time monitoring, vulnerability management, and the ability to analyze and report threats effectively. As promised, you can try Tenable for free through the link below and start protecting your business today. Plus, you'll get some exclusive bonuses if you sign up now. Don't wait until it's too late to secure your organization from insider threats.